Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Nintendo Switch. First, carefully unbox your new console and identify all included accessories. You should find the console itself, the two Joy-Cons, the dock, an AC adapter, and an HDMI cable. Connect the AC adapter directly to the console's bottom USB-C port, then plug it into a power outlet. Let it charge for about 15 minutes to ensure a smooth start. Now, let's attach the Joy-Con controllers to your console. Slide the left Joy-Con down the left rail of the console until you hear a clear click, indicating it is securely in place. Repeat this process for the right Joy-Con on the console's right rail. Once both are attached, press the power button on the top left of the console to boot it up. The system will guide you through selecting your initial language preference. Next, you will configure your system's basic settings. Select your geographical region and accept the end-user license agreement to proceed. The console will then prompt you to connect to the internet, choose your Wi-Fi network, and enter your password. Afterward, set your current time zone, date, and time. Finally, create your first user profile by picking an icon and typing a unique nickname. With your system configured, you're ready for games. If you have a physical game card, simply insert it into the slot located on the console's top right edge. For digital titles, navigate to the Nintendo eShop from your home screen. Always ensure your console is connected to the internet, as it will automatically check for and download any necessary system or game updates, keeping your experience smooth and current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.